Herbal bitters. You've likely seen them on a cocktail menu, but what are they really? Herbal bitters harness the powers of digestive supporting herbs. Bitterness has been a staple of many diverse herbal traditions, from Ayurveda to traditional medicine and folk herbalism. Although not always favored, bitterness is a taste that signals our body to prepare for food, aiding in the digestive process. Herbal bitters are typically prepared using a blend of many different bitter herbs infused into alcohol to create a pre-meal libation or an after-meal digestive aid. Our friend and sober herbalism educator Drea Moore showed us her favorite herbal bitters recipe, but this time she has made it with apple cider vinegar in place of the alcohol. It's as easy as stuffing a jar with good quality, coarsely ground, dried aromatic and bitter herbs and topping them with raw, fruity, unfiltered, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. Bitters are generally taken 15 minutes before a meal, but can also be savored after eating or even between meals. To read Drea's full essay on vinegar bitters, you can visit blog.mountainroseherbs.com for this full recipe and so much more.